star ba yan?
Ew, she stepped on poo. Why did he censor Max?
Oh, buti naman.
Buti siya yun. Grabe.
Yun na. Tarzan ba yun?
Tarzan? Oh yes, Tarzan. You went. Everything you went. Wow! Oh, maybe it's edible, girl.
Oh, look, there's that. Cheese open down.
I wanna try that.
I tried that. It's so good.
I don't think I like Washington.
I don't think
Like,
I
I don't like that one.
I don't like it, but like I like the
No, like, pag pinugasan mo yun.
oh bro. Yung bento, tapos kainin. Oh, that's such a joke. What?
Broken.
Eh, kasi may sharp kasi yung ano. The chip bag. You don't know a chip? A chip bag.
Ah.
Chip bag, bro.
And I feel the shame like that.
Secretary pa naman.
Sorry po sa'yo. Kasi dahil lang na. Thank you so much.
Ayun nga.
Ito ba ng first gift?
Hindi ako ng first week kasi galing ako ng dito. Hindi na nakauwi ko sabi.
Oh, wait.
Ito, nakikita ko si Carla.
That's wild.
Ciao.
As they drag me to the side.
Bakit ba yun? Hindi naman, no? Okay ka naman ito, Carla.
Crucial bag. Sige doon na sa loob. Pasok na sa loob.
Ito muna. Sige, wala ko to. Baka tumikit eh. Yung ibabaw muna.
Saka ng bag dito.
Ito, ito sa ibabaw muna. Ho. Baka bumaksak eh.